In this video, I will show you how to redeem PSN codes on your PS5. And to do this, first things first, you have to make sure that your PS5 is actually connected to the internet. And then the next thing you want to do from the home of your PS5, you just want to navigate to the PlayStation Store. So just use your controller over here to navigate to the PlayStation Store. And then you want to scroll down just like so until you get to this top bar over here. Now what you just want to do is to come over to the bar, and then you just want to navigate horizontally to the right direction until you get to the three dots icon at the top of your PlayStation over here. Now you just want to go ahead and select it, and then over here you're going to see the redeem codes option. You just want to go ahead and click on that, and now you can go ahead and enter your PSN code or any redeemable voucher inside of this input field over here. In my case, I currently have this PSN code I bought online. You can literally see the card pin option over here, so I'll just go ahead and enter it exactly the way it is over here inside of this input field. You want to make sure that if there is any hyphen or space over here, you just enter everything exactly as they are without the space or hyphen. So I'll go ahead and enter mine. And once you're done, you will notice that all of the characters over here are in caps. This is basically because it is done automatically. Now what you just want to do is to scroll down and click on the done button over here. And if your code or voucher is valid, it is going to give you a summary of your code, and then you just want to go ahead and click on the redeem code option over here. As you can see, mine has already been used by me, so I can no longer use this particular PSN code. You can go ahead and get any code and then just enter it over here and then click on redeem, and you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.